In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom background image in PowerPoint using Office 365. Whether you're preparing for a big presentation or simply looking to add a personal touch to your slides, customizing your backgrounds can make a significant difference. So let's dive right into it and make your PowerPoint presentations stand out. First, what you're going to do is open up PowerPoint on your computer. This is an essential step as we'll be using PowerPoint's built-in tools to apply our custom background image. Once PowerPoint is up and running, access your presentation by either opening a new one or finding one you have already prepared. It is important to have the slide you want to customize open and ready before moving forward. Now that you have your slide in front of you, go ahead and right-click on the slide. This action will bring up a context menu full of options. From this menu, you'll want to look for and select the option that says Format Background. This is where the magic starts to happen, so give that a click. After selecting Format Background, you'll notice a panel appears on the right side of your screen. Here you have several choices for filling your background. Since we're keen on adding a custom image, click on the option labelled Picture or Texture Fill. This setting will enable you to insert your own image rather than using a plain colour or pattern background. At this point you'll find a button that says Insert. Go ahead and click on it. PowerPoint gives you several choices for inserting your image. We're going to focus on using stock images, so when prompted, choose stock images. Once you opt for stock images, you'll be able to browse through a large selection of professional and high quality images. Take your time to explore and find the perfect image that suits the tone and purpose of your presentation. Remember, the key here is to find something that enhances your slide without overpowering the content. Once you've found the image that's just right for your slide, select it and then hit Insert. This step effectively applies the image you chose as the background for your slide. And just like that, you've added a custom background image to your PowerPoint slide. Feel free to repeat these steps for other slides if you want to maintain a consistent theme throughout your presentation or differentiate each slide. With a little practice, you'll be able to customize your presentations with ease and truly impress your audience. So that wraps up today's tutorial on adding a custom background image in PowerPoint using Office 365. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it enables you to elevate your presentations to a whole new level. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day customizing your slides.